Hello, plant enthusiasts. Today, we're delving into a topic that explores the intriguing world of superstition and greenery. Join us as we uncover 7 indoor plants that bring bad luck at home. From ancient beliefs to cultural superstitions, these plants are thought to carry negative energy. Let's dive into the fascinating world of plant lore. Cacti, renowned for their resilience, can carry negative connotations in certain cultures and superstitions. Their spiky appearance is thought to symbolize barriers and obstacles in life, aligning with beliefs that cacti can disrupt the flow of positive energy and bring bad luck in feng shui practices. Bonsai trees, with their miniature beauty, are paradoxically linked to bad luck in some belief systems. In feng shui and other cultures, their stunted growth symbolizes restricted potential and stagnation, potentially leading to negative energies or blocked progress. Hence, bonsai trees may be viewed unfavorably in such contexts. Dead or dying plants are often seen as harbingers of bad luck in various cultural superstitions. They symbolize neglect, stagnation, or the presence of negative energy, making them unfavorable in feng shui and other belief systems focused on harmony and positivity. Sword ferns, with their sharp, blade-like fronds, are thought to carry negative energy in some beliefs. In feng shui, their appearance is associated with cutting or piercing energy, which can disrupt the flow of positive qi, leading to superstitions about bad luck. Mistletoe cacti, resembling hanging strands of hair, are sometimes associated with negative energy in feng shui. Their appearance, resembling illness or negative vibes, has led to beliefs that they may bring bad luck when placed indoors. Spider plants, while air purifying, carry superstitions in feng shui. Their spider-like offshoots are believed by some to resemble negative energy, potentially disrupting the flow of positive qi and causing concerns about bad luck in certain cultural beliefs. The yucca plant, with its sharp leaves, is often associated with negativity and superstitions. In feng shui and other belief systems, these sword-like fronds are thought to symbolize barriers and may disrupt positive energy flow, leading to beliefs that yucca plants can bring bad luck when placed indoors. And there you have it, the mysterious world of indoor plants believed to bring bad luck. If you found this exploration as intriguing as we did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Stay tuned for more captivating stories about plants and their fascinating symbolism. Happy planting!